POV.
Hey y'all!
Welcome to Haley's World. POV, when your cousin is like so talented, she makes you face masks. So she made me these like face patches because I have acne and it's bad. But yeah. So trying these. I love them. I look like a mummy kind of.
Yeah, I have the hiccups, by the way.
Yeah, she's the hiccups. Bye guys.